Hi, my name is Roger. I'm with Artec Computers, and the question that was asked was how do you clean the gateway laptop screen? Laptop screens are just like any other anything else that's made out of glass that they can be scratched. And so our recommendation is to use a soft, damp cloth, or if you can afford it, lens cleaner would be even better. But never under any circumstances put any cleaning solutions on these, on whatever you're going to use to clean it. And keep in mind, if you're using something that can scratch glass, it will probably scratch your screen as well. So we would not encourage you to use anything along those lines either. Yeah, there are many products that you can purchase out in the market. You can go to just about any office supply store, and they will have some kind of a screen cleaner, which would be safe to use on your computer screen.